Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Not really sure what this video is called. Obviously, you know the title already, but there's just a few things to this video. So one, I just have a few things that I wanted to try out that I got recently, and I didn't really have a good excuse to use them, so I want to try them out today. And then the second is I just want to go over a few things about me and changes you'll probably be seeing in my channel and stuff like that, but I'll get into that while I'm doing my makeup and kind of talk and do this at the same time. And I know my base makeup looks like complete garbage. This is actually the second time I'm filming this because I tried to use this stuff to get ready for an appointment I had today and everything was awful. It ended in tears and that video is going in the garbage. So I don't know, I'm just gonna get started. First I'll show you the new stuff that I got that I want to use, and then I'll use it and we'll chat. So the first thing is what I'm wearing on my lips today. This is the Physicians Formula Healthy Lip Velvet Finish in Vitamin Beet. I have one other color of this. I got these both in the clearance section at Walmart, and this is the first time I'm using this one. I really like the formula of these, and I actually really like this color. I just don't know if it's gonna go with everything else I have. Then I got this new NYX eyeliner in like pineapple punch. Like I said, I did try to do this morning, which is why it looks used. So I'll be putting that on, and then there's only two more things that are new that I want to use, and that is this Wet n Wild loose pigment that I got in the clearance at Ulta. This is in the shade Fire Rain. And then the last thing I want to give a shot today is this NYX glitter. This is in the shade Violet. When I looked at it in the store, it looked like it had a lot of different colors depending on how the light hits it. It does look like a purpley blue color, but I've never used any loose glitters before, so I wanted to buy one and give it a shot. And yeah, I have no idea what this is going to turn into. Hopefully it's better than this morning. Either way, it's getting posted because I need to just get this stuff out there. So I'm just going to talk while I do my makeup. I'm using, actually I'll put my eyeliner on real quick so you don't have to watch that, and then I'll do my eyes. I'm not really sure what I'm doing, but yeah, we'll just get started. All right, and when I tried to use this earlier, I just made a big mess of this, and somebody help me and tell me if you use a glitter glue with loose pigments or if you just put them on your eyes. Okay, I'm getting an idea as I sit here and think, but I'm not gonna really go into detail for everything that I'm using because I want a chance to just talk a little bit. So one of the things you'll probably see changing on my channel is, well, you're definitely gonna see it changing, I just don't know how much it's gonna change, and that's my uploading schedule. I had said for a while I'm uploading Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and then recently I have been trying a few different days to upload, but my whole point in saying this is I'm no longer going to have a set schedule for uploading. I have a lot going on right now, and I have just been stressed to the point of not being able to do anything, and everything is a struggle for me. Everything. Yeah, I'm not really sure. I'm gonna upload as much as possible, and some weeks maybe it'll be every day, and then other weeks maybe, you know, once or twice a week. I'm not really sure. I'm not gonna set myself to a schedule. I've been too stressed out trying to keep my schedule right when I know that realistically you guys probably could care less if I have a schedule or what my schedule may be. Really, I'm just gonna not let YouTube add to my stress right now because I just have so many other things to do that I feel like I am not putting my all into my videos, including, you know, my editing as well as just me in my videos, because sometimes I only have a half an hour to record something, or I don't even know. I don't want to put that stress on myself with everything else that I'm trying to do right now. So yes, no longer having a schedule. Like I said, I want to do this as much as I can, but I'm just in a place right now where I have so many things going on in my head that a lot of days I feel like I can't give my full attention or be my full self in my videos because I'm so distracted or I'm upset about something, which leads me to my next point is I'm not going to record on well, besides today, because I really just want to have this said and have it out there, but I'm not going to be recording on days when I feel like I'm not going to be able to be my normal self. If I'm too in my head about something, or if I just can't gain the energy really to make any videos, then I won't. And that's why I think I probably won't be posting my 3 days a week, because I feel very overwhelmed basically all of the time lately. And I'm trying to work it out. There's just, I mean, I really don't want to go into a lot of detail, but there's some other things that I need to be paying attention to and giving my energy to right now. And I think that it's all gonna be better in the end this way, because I won't feel so much pressure, if that makes sense. I just want to be able to do my thing, and I don't know. I have been feeling the pressure lately, that's for sure. And I can already tell that my eyeshadow is gonna come out like shit, just like it did earlier. So yeah, I mean, it's not only YouTube that I've been slacking on, it's everything. I just feel like I have so much in my head. Wow, what's this little spot on my face? Well, it's staying. I have so much in my head. Anytime I try to focus on one thing or try to do something or get something done, it just turns into me staring into space, thinking about all the other things. And I don't want this to become a thing that I get stressed out about, because this is my, this is my escape, kind of, and I want to keep it that way. This is the same issue I had this morning with literally nothing will blend. Even my favorite eyeshadows that I know work great will not blend. I just get all these harsh lines, and I guess this is gonna be nice and crazy today. And this is another issue I'm having, is I'm sure a lot of it is just me being stressed out, but like I almost feel like I forgot how to do makeup. And I know that sounds so stupid, but I just feel like nothing ever goes right. And I'll tell you guys what, I have meant to have so many videos up, and I can't post them lately. I record videos, and I'm sure you'll tell in this video how off I seem, but I just can't post them the way that they come out. It just, I'm not okay with posting not good videos, and I've always said that I'll post my videos whether it comes out good or bad, but that's basically mostly geared toward my makeup. If my head is not in the right place and I don't think that it's good enough, I don't want to post it. I would rather just post less and spend more time on the videos that I am gonna post. I hope I'm making sense. I don't know when my next video will be, and that's weird to say. I mean, I don't think that I'm gonna go ever like a week without posting or anything like that, but I don't want to be committed to anything and then have that guilt when I don't have it done, because the guilt has been real lately, because I know that I can do it. I've done it for months now, keeping on the same schedule, and I just can't bring myself to do it. Even when I'm editing, I'm just lost in space. I'm not focused on what I want to be focused on. And I feel like, I don't know, I just feel like I'm losing my train of thought. I need to pause for a second and just do my makeup. I don't know what the hell I was saying, but basically, I would rather post one good video a week than 3 okay videos a week, and that's what I'm gonna do. I feel like even the last video I just posted was only a tag video, but I just feel like there could have been so much more to it. My answers could have been a lot better. After I posted that, I was like, well, I don't know. I hate when my videos don't come out the way I want them to, but then I feel like I have to post them anyway because I need something to post. I need something to put up. And I just don't want to feel like that. And this isn't going to be forever, but right now I just can only dedicate the time that I can dedicate, which really freaking sucks, but that's just the way it is right now. I'm not going to be happy if I'm not posting the type of content that I expect myself to post. And I know I'm just rambling on and on about my posting schedule, but I mean, this has been adding a lot of stress to other already stressful things going on. And YouTube is not my stressful place. It's my happy place. It's my place where I get away from all my stressful things. And I want it to stay that way, is all I'm trying to say. All right? Still don't know if I'm using glitter glue or not. I think, well, but if I try it without glitter glue and it doesn't work, then can I put glitter glue on top of it? Because I'm not starting this video over for the third time. And this is exactly what I mean about, you know, filming and stuff. I'm sure you guys can tell I have a million things on my mind. And I need to get them all under control one by one. And YouTube is my first step. If this becomes just another stressor for me, then I know I'll stop, and I don't want to. I really, really don't want to. You guys are like, yeah, bitch, just give up. So my plan, what am I gonna do with these? I feel like, well, still the only new products I have on are this yellow eyeliner and my lips, which I wanted to fit yellow into this somehow, but I don't think that's gonna happen. And the funny thing is, I know I'm so stressed out about changing my schedule, and I know you guys are gonna be amazing and supportive, and everything's gonna be fine, but of course I have to stress out about it, so let me stress. I'm just gonna glitter my whole lid, or not glitter, glue, use glue on my whole lid, and then just add all the things. Oh my. I also don't know how much of this to use, so. Do I do one eye at a time? Probably. And this is the Wet n Wild one, which I did use earlier, and it is super pretty. I just, it was awful. I'm telling you guys, I completely gave up and was like, nope, it's not my day. And now the blue, the glitter. Or am I supposed to put glitter on top of an eyeshadow? I don't know how this works. Oh my. It is all over my face. Yep, there's a lot of glitter on my face. And I need a little bit more glitter glue. I need a little brush for that. I'm so lost here. So, I mean, just to give you guys a tiny bit of information about what's going on, just so you're not worried or anything, I guess. My kids are good, my kids are healthy, which is the most important thing. It's mostly just been a lot of financial trouble that has been causing a lot of stress. And then, why am I trying to use the same brush for two different glitters? This is never gonna work. Basically, when I get really stressed out about something, my pain level skyrockets. And even right now, sitting in this chair for this amount of time, it's been 22 minutes, is causing a lot of strain on my back. And I've also not really been sleeping, which is making me cranky and irritable. And that's basically the gist of what I feel like telling. Hang on, let me just do my other eye real quick and then be back to figure out my lower lash line and to see if I want to do anything else. All right, so I think next time I use this glitter, I want to try to use it with eyeshadow underneath of it. And I am well aware that these eyes are not even, but I'm running out of time. Didn't think it was going to take me this long since, you know, it's my second try. So, let's see here. Lower lash line is going to be, where's my, I don't want anybody to worry. Honestly, I just have some stuff to work through. Some other things that I need to make my priority right now. I'm sure you all can relate and nobody's hating me. But of course I have to panic about it anyway. Wow, this is interesting. Not as bad as what happened this morning though. That was a disaster. If I would have posted what I recorded this morning, you guys would have been very worried that something is very wrong with me. But I'm good. Everything's good. Alright, well that's very interesting and crazy looking. Touch up my eyeliner. I'm going to touch up my eyeliner, highlight my brow bone, put some mascara on, and I'll be right back. I'm back. This came out much crazier than I originally intended, but whatever. I'm just gonna take it off anyway. I just wanted to do something so I had the chance to talk to you guys. I wish that I could just like post one of those messages to you in your subscription feed and just let you know. But I can't do that yet, so I'm doing it this way, and I know that you guys will all understand, and I know I shouldn't be so nervous about it, but what are you gonna do? Yeah, anyway, if anyone's wondering about any of these products, they all seem fine. I'm sorry this video was so boring. I need to get my groove back, I think. And this week is gonna be extra busy for me because I'm babysitting a lot. So hopefully this isn't the only video you see from me this week. That would be a little sad. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.